आपकी पोनी को देखकर सलमान ने आपकी पोनी रख लिया है, तो आप इसमें क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
पहले तो ये बहुत इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चन है। ये जो तो इसका मैं तुम्हें बहुत इंटेलिजेंट आंसर देने की कोशिश करूंगा। किसको देखकर किसने क्या बढ़ाया क्या बनाया, ये बातें मुझे बहुत अजीब लगती है। मैंने ये न्यूज़ आज सुनी कि सलमान ने पोनी रखी है, बड़ी क्यूट पोनी है। हम जब भी अपने बाल किसी फिल्म के रोल के लिए बढ़ाते हैं, मैं इसलिए समझदारी का जवाब दे रहा हूँ कि इसके बाद तुम ये बार बार ना पूछो। जब हम अपने बाल बढ़ाते हैं तो वो थोड़े से अनमैनेजेबल हो जाते हैं। एक स्टेज आती है बालों के बढ़ने में, जो लड़कियों को मालूम होगा, वो अनमैनेजेबल हो जाते हैं। उस वक्त उसको पोनीटेल में बांधना ज़रूरी हो जाता है, नहीं तो अजीब लगते हैं, जंगली लगते हैं। सो वो स्टेज हम सब एक्टर्स की होती है। आमिर की थी जब वो फिल्म कर रहे थे, मंगल पांडे। बीच में अमित जी ने शायद चीनी कम के लिए बाल बढ़ाए थे। मैंने दर्द डिस्को के लिए बढ़ाए थे। सलमान भी हो सकता है किसी काम के लिए बढ़ा रहे हो। तो कोई किसी से कॉपी नहीं करता है। बाल लंबे होते हैं तो उसको चोटी में बांधा ही जाता है, ये एक रूल।
आप जिसे भी छूते हैं वो मनी प्लांट हो जाता है। तो यही सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि
मैंने नहीं, मेरे दोस्त ने यहाँ पे कहा, मैंने नहीं कहा।
आपने भी कहा था। तो यही सवाल मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ कि जिस तरह से आईपीएल नाइट राइडर्स अभी से उसने प्रॉफिट अर्निंग शुरू कर दी है और बाकी बहुत से मैचेस के टिकट्स भी नहीं बिके हैं, तो यू आर मेकिंग प्रॉफिट्स, व्हाट यू डू से?
That means you know my accounts more than I do, because what you're telling me is really good news to me. My office hasn't told me that yet.
I had read an article that some 4 crores profit.
Darling, I'm telling you again and again, you're a journalist. Don't believe what you read. You should know that. As a matter of fact, I'll extend it to a lot of us here. Don't even believe what you yourself write. It's not true like that. It's a big investment. I've always maintained that. Hopefully, our team would be able to break even because of the wonderful sponsors we have, HDIL, Nokia, and everyone who's been on our platform, Belmont, Tag Heuer. And I think we also have the advantage of number of seats in Kolkata. We have a 1 lakh capacity stadium. The first match was very encouraging because we sold 87,000 tickets. The figures haven't come in yet. We've kept the ticket pricing cheap. But I think it would be really, really nice that we win the championship and we break even. It would be happier for me that we don't break even and we win the championship. I'll be happy with that. We lose a lot of money, but we win the championship. The idea is that. The business part of it, like I've always maintained, I don't follow that at all. The entertainment part, I follow, and I spend a lot of money on that. So my business partners, Jay and all, keep getting angry with me. You can't do this, you can't spend this, and even the ticket pricing, I've told them to keep it low. But at this point of time, I think this is a business where you cannot think of short-term profits. You will never be able to build on it. And I would like to say to all the youngsters at Shopper Stop also, I'm sure Nagesh and Govind follow that. Once you've reached a status or a stage that you take on something which is beyond your means, like they must have done for lots of products Shopper Stop has done, I've done it with the cinema that I do, you stop looking at the profit part of it. You just work towards getting a standard and maintain that standard and hope that this standard is going to attract eyeballs and consumers, so finally you break even. So at this point of time, really, and I've been saying this from the day IPL has been launched, let the dust settle. Even now, I read newspaper items which say, Brett Lee's ball cost so much. I mean, let's get over it. It's not about how much money everybody's got, how much money everybody's going to make. It's a new thing, so let's just stick to it and hope that we can bring in a sports culture. We keep talking about money's not being there in sports. Here is a chance for every youngster. Today I read the article, the ones which I believe, which talked about some of the youngsters being noticed, whether it's Ashok Dinda, whether it's the new boys from the Rajasthan team. It's so wonderful. These little kids, when I see them, I've got 12, 13 boys in my team who are absolute newcomers. Nobody knew them in this world. And they're so happy playing with Ricky Ponting and Brett Lee and making their name and earning from it. They're from small families like most of us are. So I think that is the positive part if we can look at and hope they make a profit. Inshallah, our profits will follow. I'm silly like a little child. I believe we'll win everything. I wake up in the morning and I believe we'll win everything. Just like my kid, my daughter, they don't even say something like, are we going to lose today? They come and they say, we're going to win. So for them, it is something they believed in, it happened, and they go back. So they don't even overreact to a win. You have to be childlike about this, And yeah, some of them will lose also. then I'll have to explain to my kids that life teaches you how to lose also. So they'll learn.
You're going to have your own insights on the, on the matches that you'll have won so far. You're going to have a separate blog section on it. Amitabh Bachchan has recently got into blogging himself. So are you planning anything on that lines?
I don't know. See, when I started the team, I appreciate and understand the value of attaching my brand to it. But the brand was attached because I believe in sports, not because I'm a movie star, and that's why I did the ads. There were two reasons that I gave Knight Riders my face to begin with, because I didn't have the team faces. They only came about 7 days ago. So I said, okay, I'll use it for as long as I can. But the team is, inshallah, and hopefully beyond me. It's not about me. The team is about John Buchanan and the boys. So the site has been developed, obviously keeping there's an offside on it and an onside on it. So the onside is about cricket, offside is just fun and entertainment. We have some amazing games on it. I want the kids to be attracted to it. Just last night, my team from the site, I don't run it at all. I leave creatives and everything to the people who are experts at it. So they told me if I would like to start, sending in blogs and writing about it. My knowledge of cricket is limited, and I don't have any qualm saying that. I can only talk as an outsider. So I've told them, yes, send me an SMS of a line that they would like me to speak upon. But I think I can only philosophize on cricket and the goings on. I will not be an expert opinion on cricket, but I will try and do it. And not because everyone else is doing it. I'd do it if my team wants me to. So I'll try and give it a shot whenever is required. But right now I think the site is about Knight Riders and the way they play and what the team is. I'd like to keep it as much to that as possible.
Campaign has been copied from a similar ad campaign on baseball. Do you want to comment on that?
I'm not aware of it, sweetheart. I really don't know about this. No, I'm not aware of this information at all. I read it somewhere, but I haven't really seen it. But I think the team which has been designing it, Cowboys and everyone, they are an amazingly talented team, so they must be doing a good job. And I think somewhere everything looks copied if you have enough time to look around on the internet.
कि जब ज़्यादा स्टार स्टार्टेड इवेंट हो जाता है आईपीएल का मैच, तो डोंट यू थिंक कि ज़्यादा जो प्रमोशन है वो कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्स ले जाते हैं? आईपीएल का प्रमोशन हो पाता है क्या?
You see, this discussion has been going on everywhere. Is it cricket? Is it tamasha? Let's believe it, it is here. And it is here to stay. And we'll accept it. Now, star ka zyada hota hai. I've always maintained stars don't need a cricketing field to promote themselves. And neither does cricket need stars to promote itself. Both the fields are stars in themselves. So there is right now, of course, if I go to watch a cricket match with my friends, they are from films. They are from films. So you will see people from the films there. Some of them don't know cricket, but they started loving it, like Karan and everyone. So it's interesting mix right now. And I think let the discussion go on. I keep reading, oh, ye to sirf stars aa rahe hain, the cricket is dying, oh, cricket acha ho gaya hai, stars kam hai. This will continue, which is going to take about another week's time. I think then finally, another week later, it'll settle down to just being cricket. I've always believed this is about cricket and this is what it is going to be. It's a new form of cricket, of course. So I think it'll settle down to that. I'll watch Panchvi Pass. I think it's one other sphere of thought that I have, and I truly believe in it. Education with entertainment. I'm doing sports with entertainment. And because Panchvi Pass is even more important, it gives you talks about education to youngsters and parents and families. And this is what I do personally. See, Knight Riders is something which is a passion and it's fun and I'm enjoying it. It's a new thing for me. So it's, but my job is finally to act and be an anchor, and Panchvi Pass is really wonderful. So I'll see that. Of course, when my own match is going on, so I'll carry a television. So I'll keep seeing Panchvi Pass and I'll keep seeing the matches there.
टीम के 4 कैप्टन्स होने चाहिए। सौरव गांगुली को के अलावा भी इन फ्यूचर क्या हम और कैप्टन्स देख सकते हैं नाइट राइडर्स के?
मैंने बार बार ये कहता हूँ मैं यार, तुमसे मैं पहले भी बताया था एक बार, तुमने मुझसे पहले भी ऐसा सवाल पूछा था घर में। नहीं सर, वो दूसरा था। मैं नहीं आई एम नॉट डिराइडिंग इट। तुमने पूछा था इसलिए मैं फिर से समझा दूँ कि क्रिकेट की जो जितने भी डिसीजंस हैं, सचमुच मैं उनमें कुछ भी पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता हूँ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, क्योंकि वो उन एक्सपर्ट्स को मालूम है। अब मैं कैसे जॉन बुकैनन को या एंड्रू लिपस को या एड्रियन को या सौरव को या रिकी को बोल सकता हूँ कि यार शॉट थोड़ा ऑफ साइड पे अच्छा खेलो, या आज तुम्हारी कैप्टनसी ठीक नहीं चल रही यार। So I really feel very small. It is really, and I'm not, please again, deriding anyone. It would be as silly as one of them telling me how to act. So I don't get into that. कि वो मुझे कल को बोलने लगेंगे कि यार वो ओम शांति में जो डायलॉग बोला ना, मज़ा नहीं आया, उसको ऐसे बोलो। So I don't get into that. They are trying to work out a method जिससे सारी टीम जो है एकत्रित होकर एक साथ होकर एक टीम की तरह खेल सके। और पहले 4 मैचेस जॉन ने यही सोचा हुआ है कि उनमें जो एक टीम स्पिरिट है वो आ जाए। और पहले 2 की वजह से, क्योंकि हमारी माशाल्लाह जीत हुई है, हम फॉर्चुनेट हैं और अच्छी टीम से जीत हुई है, तो कहीं ना कहीं पर एक जज्बा आ गया है। तो उसको बढ़ाने के लिए कहीं पर कोई स्ट्रैटेजी बदल भी सकते हैं, चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे कहीं पर वो उसमें मैं टीम मीटिंग में बाहर खड़ा रहता हूँ। वो मैंने रूल बनाया है एज एन ओनर। I knock on the door, and this is the first day I started this. I stand outside the team meeting, ask for permission when the team meeting is over to enter and say hello to the boys. I don't enter the team room without knocking and asking for permission, and I think they respect that a lot.
Any of the stars might write something which you might not like.
See, I don't write because I get into enough trouble just by speaking.
So if someone writes like which you might not like when you read that blog.
See, it's everybody's personal point of view. I am really, really very unaggressive and quite easy about sense of humor. If anybody says or writes anything about me, I'm quite okay and easy with that. I take it with the same spirit that I crack a joke with. So it would be wrong for me to take any comment by anyone on my work unless it gets really, really personal. I don't think I would ever take it wrongly. And I think, blogging as a concept is something that is meant to have freedom of expression. Internet as a whole device is something where you can come, pass on information, take it, and express yourself. I think we have to respect that. And sometimes I go on internet and check the things written about me, and believe you me, I'm shocked that people write this about me. And I take it with a pinch of salt. Sometimes I just sort of have a parental lock on it because the kids should not know how bad their daddy is. But besides that, I think everybody has a right. We need to take it in the spirit it is written in. And then everybody also has the right to express themselves back through a blog or whatever mode of medium or media they decide to do it from. So I'm quite open to new technology and devices, and I would never take it personally.
Night riders are really rocking, and it's just in papers or maybe we've read somewhere. As you said, journalists should not believe.
Like I said, I was telling Darshana here, who's part of this company and who's been helping us put this show together, that when I come out to work for somebody, if I come as a friend, I come as a guest, I come as a professional. The one thing that I have in mind is, I have come here to work for you guys who are sitting here. You've come for a press conference. I want you to go back home thinking that you got some information from Shah Rukh that you wanted, and you were also entertained. You go back home with a smile. I'll never let you down. I've come here for Shopper Stop. I'm not going to let Nagesh and Govind down. Similarly, whenever I endorse a product, good, bad, ugly, according to whatever viewpoint, I give it my best shot. And I've been associated with most of the products because of the values that I bring to it, of sticking to things that I start. And I think somewhere down the line, it creates a goodwill. And when I speak to, say, Nokia or Belmont or Tag Heuer, I don't even have to really ask them. They have just said, Shah Rukh, we are going to be in this with you because you need us this time. And to be really honest, Night Riders needed all the support financially because it's a big thing for me. I can't handle it on my own. So they all came aboard, and I'm very thankful to them. And in return, I hope I give them back the fact that they were with one of the better teams in this tournament. So the idea is always, when you ask something, you have to be willing to give back twice as much. So I think that's why all the people who have, it's not that I touch everything and becomes money. I work very hard for it. I give a lot of diligence and a lot of importance to anyone who has paid me to do a job. I would never let down, and I would tell all the youngsters who are here, you guys are in a field which is very sensitive. You are journalists. Please, for God's sake, if you are getting paid to do a job, do it to the rightest and the fullest. You're sleepy, you're tired, you're sick, you don't like your editors, you are sick and some actors pushed you off, you are in situations sometimes which are dangerous. Give it the best shot, and you will also have money plants in your house.